is the Army Today. Fort Bragg wins an award for recycling what often gets overlooked. People are particular about what they recycle. The amount of newspapers recycled, nearly 75%. Office paper, about 48%. But when it comes to electronics like TVs, cell phones, and computer products, the amount recycled drops to just 18%. You can find what will end up being electronic waste just about everywhere you look. E-waste includes computers, keyboards, mice, telephones, mobile phones, headphones, speakers, and a whole lot more. Fort Bragg environmental officials hosted a year-long campaign during which they collected more than 1.6 million pounds of electronics. They partnered with the Defense Reutilization Marketing Office to collect government electronics as well as personal.
An old typewriter.
The electronics get shipped to demanufacturing plants where workers strip away other recyclable materials.
A lot of electronics parts has silver, gold, it has some lead in there. A lot of good plastics, copper, and all those other things.
Williamson says the Army's goal is to keep whatever can be recycled from ending up in landfills. It's a sentiment that he says is trickling down.
I see that a lot in a lot of new soldiers. How do I take care of this? How do I not throw this away? How do I recycle it?
It's worth it because if we don't recycle, then in the long run, the military, the Army, and the government, it just costs more.
The government has recycled electronics for years, but it has just begun to collect personal electronics.
We're pretty proud of it, but I think every installation out there is doing great jobs in recycling.
James Williams, Washington. This has been the Army Today from Soldiers Radio and Television in Washington.